Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Mears and today I will be focusing on operations and algebraic thinking at the kindergarten level. At this level, it is important that kindergarten understand addition as putting together or adding to, and subtraction as taking apart or taking away from. The content area that I will be focusing on is A4, which states that for any number from 1 to 9, find the number that makes 10 when adding to a given number. So for this example that I'm going to be using, I will be using a 10 frame and counters, okay? And the question that's posted on the board is 7 plus what number equals 10? So I'm using a 10 frame because that's the number that we're going to be working with, right? So it says 7 plus what number equals 10? So we have 7. So I'm going to start off with 7 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I want to know how much more butterflies do I need to get to 10. So I'm going to use my green butterflies and count on. 1, 2, 3. So now I know that altogether we have 10. We have 7 yellow butterflies and we have 3 green butterflies. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. So I'm going to write my answer here. Okay. Now we're going to check our answer. Okay. So for us to check our answer, we're going to start off with 10. So we're going to start off with 10 butterflies. And now we're going to take away 7. Okay, and we're going to see how much is left. So let's take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's count and see how many butterflies are left. 1, 2, 3. So we know that 10 minus 7 equals 3. So now we can say 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 minus 7 equals 3.